Hey, this is David with another production tip in Adobe Audition. Now, sometimes when you do your recording, you may listen back to it and feel that the recording sounds dull or a bit flat, and you want to know how to brighten it up. Well, I have a quick and easy solution for you, and it's in Adobe Audition. So let's head on over there. Okay, so here we are in Adobe Audition, and I've got my file in front of me. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to highlight this file, this section over here, and then I'm going to go up to my effects menu. I'm going to go down to amplitude and compression, which opens up another submenu. And under the submenu, I'm going to look for multi-band compressor, which is right here. I'm going to click on this, and this pop-up window shows up. And under the pop-up window, you've got different presets, but what I need is broadcast preset. This is going to give me the bright, sparkly punch to my voice that'll make it so clear and accurate. And so once I've selected that, all I have to do is click apply down here. Now let me take a listen. In the vibrant heart of Africa, where rhythms pulse with the very essence of life, and right there you can tell there's a lot more full-bodied tone and character to my voice. And that's how you can bring a bit more sparkle and punchiness to your voice using Adobe Audition.